At its very core, luxury is elemental. It is a primal expression of who we are, our hopes, and our deepest desires. So when Ali and I started Amali, we wanted to celebrate the fact that luxury looks and feels different to each of us. This isn't about my vision, Ali's, or even the architect's. It's about the vision of the person who will be living here. We bring that vision to life in the most spectacular way possible.
Amali Island is not just an island community. It is life at its most exclusive. We worked closely with our world-class architects to conceptualize facades across 7 villa typologies. Each one seamlessly blends in with their natural environment and makes the most of light, privacy, and of course, incredible sea views.
Everything is possible, and impossible is within reach. Amali Island is personalization from within. Each of our interior aesthetics has been crafted to reflect what luxury means to the individual and their family. Our atelier sourced Italian marbles, exquisite woods, rich metals, and more, to give the 24 Amali Island villas their own personality and material narrative.
Luxury is not excess and extravagance. Luxury is freedom. And where better to find freedom than on your own private island? It is a holiday that starts from the second you step on your yacht or into the helicopter to take you home. Amira and I have traveled the world to discover the very essence of luxury living.
Today, it is our privilege to bring this essence to life with Amali Island.
Amali Island is redefining what it means to live a life of luxury. Luxury on your terms.
The kind of luxury that exists only in dreams.